What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. 2 a.m. here in South Africa. But want to get out this video for our friend ADA. Currently sitting at 0.76. We're up 14% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 26 billion. 24-hour volume 1.34 billion. So as we can see, we have a nice 5-wave move coming up. So we should push in between 0.76, 0.83. Of course, it can push higher, but that's your normal range. To complete that first 5 waves off the low, then you would see a bit of a pullback before continuation back to the upside. But beautiful to see 5 waves off the low, confirming that this pullback is over. If we zoom out a bit, now there's a couple of scenarios here off of the bear market low. It could be a 1, 2, and then a very short 3, 4, 5. To complete the first wave 1 to the upside, or you could be looking at a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup. But if it is just a short 5 waves into a larger wave 1, then I can give you guys a target on the higher time frames. So what you can do is take a trend-based extension. So this would be your first 5 waves into a 1, as you can see here. Then you pulled back into a 2. And you'd look to push up in a wave 3. So that wave 3 could take your friend ADA all the way up to $8.56. And you pull back in a 4, push up to a 5, take you in between $10 to $15 for a top for the bull run for Cardano. That's what we could be looking at. That's my price prediction, in between $10 and $15 for a top. Anything above $8.56 basically. But in the short term, we'll be looking to complete this first 5 waves off the low. Let me just open this up. As you can see here in this target zone, of course, it can overextend. Pullback continuation. If we zoom out a bit, this is the daily chart. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders back above the daily EMAs, broke the neckline. So all you have to do is take a trend line from the bottom to the top of that neckline, take it to your point of breakout. And that will take ADA all the way up to $1.03. So that's pretty exciting. So that's what we're looking at for Cardano. You can join my Discord for free for the next couple days, and then it will be closed once again. Click the top link in the comments. You get my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, as you can see here. My exact trade setups, we're currently in a trade for Ethereum, as well as what I'm invested in when I'm taking my profits. I'm posting news. One of our members is posting news. Almost 3,000 members in the group. Just click that top link in the comment. It will only be open for a couple more days. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.